One bag, no check-in. Zero compromises on style. If you watched my last video, you know I already broke down my full Euro summer packing strategy. But today we're going even further. We are stripping it down to carry on only, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it without sacrificing a single outfit. So welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about travel experiences and traveling well and dressing even better. And today we are talking carry-on packing for a short European getaway. So now packing light doesn't mean packing boring, and I think the secret is being really intentional. It's about what you bring and how you take the most of a super small suitcase. Above all, I think it's super important what is made of. And to be honest, I hate packing, so that's why I kind of like made it simple and I perfectionized it for any kind of travel that I do. So today we're doing really the opposite. We are building a carry-on wardrobe around 3 materials that every man should know for summer travel. I would just break it down to you. I think it's linen, silk, and lightweight cotton. So I would say the goal is simple. Every single piece in this bag has to work hard. It has to mix, match, layer, and survive a full day on your feet in the Italian summer or Spanish or anywhere in Europe without looking like you've been traveling, because at the end of the day you don't want to be that guy that everybody sees that he's a tourist. So let's get into it. Silk shirts are probably the most underrated thing you can pack for summer. They're incredibly light, the material just works in heat in a way nothing else does. For years, I was buying them secondhand, and honestly, some of the best pieces I've owned came that way. But this year, I've been wearing these two, a white and a black from COS. Simple, clean, they go with everything in the bag.